How to blur a part of video in Capcut. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Capcut. Now tap on new project and import any video. Now tap on add. Now tap on effects and video effects. Now click on the search bar and type blur. Now tap on search. Now tap on any blur effect and tap on cancel. Now tap on OK button. Now extend this blur to the end of the video. Now tap on the main video and duplicate this video by tapping on duplicate. Now tap on overlay. Now drag this video to the start. Now tap on the second video, scroll to the right and tap on mask. Now select any shape. Now at the bottom left corner, tap on invert. Now if you want to move the blur part, keep selecting the second video. Now tap on the keyframe button. Now scroll to the right. Tap on mask. Skip few seconds. Move the blur part. Again skip few seconds. Move the blur part. Keep repeating the process until you are satisfied and tap on OK. Now when I play this video, as you can see, the blur part also moves while the video progresses. So by following this simple step, you can add blur part in Capcut. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.